We're working on a project right now. The neighbors went in together on the side of the homes. On both sides of this home, the neighbors split. You can see that we have the drain in. We still have to pin the fabric and put the sod back over top. But I wanted to run through this system because I got a little bit of everything. I got a finished portion of the drain. You can see how we run the downspouts right on top of the French drain system. We're not tying them directly into the pipe, the main pipe, because we don't want to plug it full of shingle gravel. The gravel will pass through the corrugated, the solid corrugated, and out the pop-up. Now this portion, we put the sod back over the drain. Now this is open, so this is what it looks like. We take that open stone drain on the other side of the house. We have to just pull the fabric together and pin it, and it's ready for sod. You can see how we cut the fabric out around the pop-ups. And that's it. You put sod around it. We did parallel French drains in the backyard. There's one still open, and there's one that's done. We got a balance tube. They're tied together. That is how clean our work is. That's why we put plywood down. That's why we use a sod cutter. Another reason why we don't use a trencher. So then this drain comes in, meets with this one. We happen to have a catch basin here, some infrastructure to work with. Dynamite. So tightening this place right up, drying it right out. That's a complete full yard drainage system.